What's up guys, your Biglee here. When it comes to biceps training, we have seen all the supination, pronation and curls, but there is one more important function of the biceps. Pulling is another important function of the biceps. So if you want to develop your biceps completely, then involve a pulling movement in your biceps. I prefer doing a close grip pull-ups which engages a lot of my biceps. I just go till failure, how much ever reps I can drop for 3 to 4 sets at the end of my workout to completely exhaust my biceps. The execution is simple. Hold it close so that your wrist is comfortable. Pull your body weight up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. That's an easy way to build peak biceps. Until I see you on the next workout video, this is your Biglee, over and out.